Hello.
How are
Hi.
you?
Okay. Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh, and you?
California, but I
Uh,
but I live in London.
yeah,
Okay.
nice country, I think.
So what do you do? Are you working or studying?
No, I am a student. I study at Institute of Health Technology, my department of physiotherapy. So I am a diploma student. I'm a first year running diploma student.
Oh, that's great.
And thank you so much. And what do you do?
Oh, I'm a writer. I write poetry.
Rider, wow.
Yeah, I write poetry for magazines.
Wow, that's great. So
Yes. So,
and you also teaching in cambly apps.
oh yes. Yes.
Yes. So how much long time to you have been teaching and these apps?
On Cambly?
Yeah,
On
yeah.
Cambly, just 1 year.
um,
Yeah, just 1 year
that's
on
good.
Cambly. Yeah. So, what do you like to do in your free time before the virus?
Yeah, I am before the virus. I like to free time travel a new places in my Bangladesh, and I also playing cricket free time, and watching television, and watching games, and I also like cycling,
Okay.
and exercise, and some exercise, uh, etc etc.
Oh, good. No, you're very active. That's good. I mean, before the virus, anyway. Yes.
Yeah. So what about you?
I like to travel before the
Yeah,
virus.
that's good.
But now, yes. Okay, good. So, when the virus is finished, what's the first thing you want to do?
I think coronavirus is a pandemic virus, not only problem your country and my country, but also all over the world facing this problem. So it is a dangerous virus. It is also it is incubation. It is a highly infection man to man. So I think uh, yeah, in this year, Bangladesh, day by day, this highly increase rate. Or yesterday, I watching a news. So far, uh, almost 1 lakh people have been infected with coronavirus in our country, and already 1,305 people had died.
Oh, wow. That's too many.
So yeah. So we are really tension to this virus, and I am always stay my home and try to my best to stay my home.
Yeah.
And what about your country condition?
In England, it's
Yeah,
the same. Everyone stays home because not everything is open. Most places are still closed. Yeah,
yeah.
so mostly
So
people are
how
at
many?
home.
Yeah. It's a great system. So we should to stay our home.
Yeah.
Then it's virus not incubation, and awareness is very important. And so madam, is your country under the lockdown now?
Um, yes, still. There's only
Yeah.
been a partial reopening. Most places are still closed. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, ma'am, how many people infected coronavirus in your
Oh,
country?
I don't know, a lot, thousands, but I stopped paying attention to the numbers because every day
Yeah.
is the same. So I stopped paying attention, but it was a lot, in the thousands. Too many,
Uh,
actually. Um,
so, so how is your experience to this passing this present time?
well, I work at home anyway, so that's being home is nothing new to me because I write at home.
Yeah.
What about you? Did it affect you greatly, this lockdown?
Actually, uh, madam, after a long time, almost 3 months, 3 month lockdown in our country,
Oh, yes.
then open, then opens, some days ago open lockdown from our country,
Mhm.
but our institute, our all kinds of educational institute, schools, university is still now stop. So that's why I am now stay my home. I cannot go my institute, my college.
Oh, yeah.
So it's it's a boring time. Boring time.
Yeah.
I cannot play with my friends. I cannot go anywhere. I cannot travel. So it's not special for me.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can imagine being at university, you must miss the campus.
Mm.
Yeah.
So I have a question. So, which accent is very easy uh, to learn English?
Whose accent? Do you mean
Which accent to very easy to learn?
you mean American accent versus British
Yeah,
accent?
yeah,
Um,
yeah,
Many
yeah.
students like the American accent because they hear it
Yeah.
often from the movies, but then some people like British accent because it sounds nice. So